This video demonstrates how to install the front seat covers for Freesoo Universal Seat Covers. This installation method applies to all Freesoo Universal Seat Covers. First, take a look at the airbag tag on the seat cover to figure out if it's for the driver's side or the passenger side. The airbag tag should be on the same side as the seat you're covering. Next, slide the seat cover down over the seat. You can choose to remove the headrest or leave it on. Taking the headrest off can make it a bit easier to get the backrest cover on, but it's not absolutely necessary. Next, use the 3 plastic anchors to attach the elastic straps. You can wrap the straps around a few extra times to really make sure the seat cover is nice and secure. Tuck those plastic anchors right into the seam of the seat. Now, from the back of the seat, pull those plastic anchors back out and stand them up straight. Just make sure they don't fall out again. Alright, now let's move on to putting on the bottom seat cover. First, attach the 2 clips to the elastic strap. Take one end of the clip and thread it from the side of the seat all the way around to the back. Then tuck the other end of the clip through the seam of the seat, back towards the rear. Now attach both ends of the clip securely to the side of the seat. Next, find a sturdy spot underneath the seat and hook those cushion clips right onto it. That will hold the bottom cover in place. For the backrest cover, attach 1 clip to the elastic strap, then hook that clip onto any solid spot underneath the seat. That will keep the backrest covered nicely. Finally, let's install the headrest cover. Make sure to identify the front and back of the headrest. The side with the decorative stitching is the front. The other side is the back. Slide the headrest cover on and tuck the hook and loop fastener from the back to the front to secure it in place. Installation complete.